I bet you didn't know how expected value can transform your sports betting strategy. Welcome to BetWise Academy. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed betting decisions. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of sports betting, focusing on the concept of expected value, or EV. Expected value is a powerful tool that can transform your betting strategy, making it more calculated and less reliant on pure luck. Whether you're a seasoned bettor or just starting out, understanding EV can give you the edge you need to succeed. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how you can leverage EV to make smarter bets and increase your chances of winning. If you're ready to take your betting game to the next level and enjoy these types of videos, hit that subscribe button and join the BetWise Academy community today. Let's get started. Understanding expected value. In the thrilling world of sports betting, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better your chances of making informed decisions that can lead to success. One powerful tool that bettors use to gain an edge is expected value, or EV. Simply put, EV tells you how much you can expect to win or lose on a bet over the long run. It's a mathematical concept that helps you understand the potential outcomes of your bets. Let's run through a simple example. Imagine flipping a coin. This simple example can help illustrate the concept of expected value, EV, using a $10 bet with the goal of getting heads. Let's try one scenario. Fair odds. Heads lands, you win $10. This represents a positive outcome. Tails lands, you lose $10. This represents a negative outcome. If you flip the coin enough times, you'll notice that over the long run, you break even. This is because the gains and losses balance out, resulting in an EV of 0. Now let's try another scenario where it has adjusted odds. Now let's say if you win, you get $8 instead of $10. Or if you win, you get $11 instead of $10. Let's see how these changes impact your balance after 8 flips. Ideally, with a fair coin, you'd expect 4 heads and 4 tails. Let's compare fair odds, 2 to 1. After 8 flips, 4 heads and 4 tails, your balance is 0. No gain, no loss. Against less than fair odds, 1.8 to 1. After 8 flips, your balance is negative $8. And against better than fair odds, 2.1 to 1. After 8 flips, your balance is positive $4. So what are some of the key takeaways? When the EV is positive, it means that over time, you're likely to make a profit. This is the power of understanding EV. Over many flips, you're more likely to come out ahead, and this concept is crucial in sports betting. EV helps you identify bets where the potential payout outweighs the risk. It allows you to see beyond the immediate win or loss and focus on long-term success. Understanding this math is straightforward in a coin flip scenario because we all know each outcome has a 50% chance. This clarity makes it easier to grasp the concept and apply it to more complex betting situations. Calculating EV in sports is easier than you think. It's a powerful tool that can help you determine whether a bet is worth making. The formula is EV equals probability of winning times amount won minus probability of losing times amount lost. There are also many EV calculators online, which we will share some links in the description. First, estimate the probability of your bet winning. This can be done in many ways based on historical data, expert analysis, own research, or using other betting sources, which we can discuss in more detail later. Then, multiply that probability by the potential winnings. This gives you the expected value of winning. Do the same for losing. Multiply the probability of losing by the amount you would lose if the bet doesn't go your way. Finally, subtract the potential loss from the potential win. This gives you the expected value of the bet. Let's say a team has a 57% chance of the outcome. This means there is a 57% probability that your bet will be successful, assuming the odds are 2.12. In betting terms, this means that for every $10 you bet, you stand to win $11.20 if the team wins. The EV would be EV equals 0.57 times $11.20 minus 0.43 times $10 equals $2. This calculation shows the expected value of your bet. A positive EV of $2 means you can expect to make $2 on average every time you place this bet. This is a strong indicator that the bet is favorable and worth considering. Remember, EV is not about guaranteeing a single win. It's about making statistically sound bets that will yield profits in the long run. By focusing on EV, you can make more informed decisions and improve your overall betting strategy. How to determine the probability of an outcome in sports betting using analytical tools and no-vig calculators. Probability is a fundamental concept in sports betting. It helps us predict the likelihood of different outcomes. Let's start with the basics. Probability is the measure of how likely an event is to happen. It's usually expressed as a percentage or a fraction. For example, a 50% probability means there's a 50/50th chance of the event occurring. In sports betting, we use various factors to determine the probability of an outcome. These include team performance, player statistics, historical data, and even weather conditions. To gather this data, we often turn to analytical sites. These sites provide comprehensive statistics and insights into teams and players. For example, sites like 538, ESPN, and Sports Reference offer in-depth analysis and data that can help us make informed predictions. The other option, or calculate the probability, is to use the bookmaker's information. Here's how you can do it. Bookmakers set odds that include their profit margin, or VIG. By inputting these odds into a no-vig calculator, we can determine the fair odds without the bookmaker's margin. This helps us identify bets with the best value. For example, if the odds for Team A winning are 1.80 and the odds for Team B winning are 2.20, the no-vig calculator might reveal that the fair odds for Team A are actually 1.95 and for Team B are 2.05. This slight adjustment can make a big difference in long-term betting success. Understanding probability and using tools like analytical sites and no-vig calculators help you make more informed betting decisions. By evaluating the likelihood of different outcomes and identifying fair odds, you can improve your chances of making profitable bets. Now, all of the previous might sound quite time-consuming, but it doesn't have to be. There are many sites and tools online through a simple Google search which can help. One tool we use and recommend is OddsJam. We will be creating an in-depth video about this tool in the future. But if you would like to try it out for free, you can use the link in our description to help. EV and sustainable betting strategies. EV isn't about chasing short-term wins. It's about building a sustainable betting strategy. Think of it like investing. You're looking for consistent returns over time, not get-rich-quick schemes. By consistently betting on positive EV situations, you're tilting the odds in your favor. It's like playing a game where you have a slight advantage. Over time, those small advantages add up to significant profits. Of course, no betting system is foolproof. However, EV provides a framework for making rational decisions and minimizing losses, leading to more consistent wins. The power of positive EV, turning the tables in your favor. In sports betting, the house usually has an edge. They set the odds to ensure they profit in the long run. However, EV gives you a way to level the playing field and even tip the scales in your favor. Finding positive EV bets consistently requires skill, research, and a deep understanding of the sport. You need to identify mispriced odds where the bookmakers have underestimated a team's or player's chances. By becoming an expert in your chosen sport and diligently analyzing statistics, trends, and news, you can uncover these valuable opportunities and gain a significant advantage. Managing risk and bankroll. While EV is crucial, it's only one piece of the puzzle. Managing your bankroll responsibly is equally important. This means only betting what you can afford to lose and avoiding chasing losses with bigger bets. A good rule of thumb is to only bet 1 to 5% of your bankroll on any single event. This approach helps you weather losing streaks and stay in the game for the long haul. The other alternative is the Kelly criterion, which is a formula used to determine the optimal size of a series of bets to maximize the long-term growth of your bankroll. It considers the probability of winning, the payout of the bet, and the current bankroll to calculate the ideal bet size. We will make a detailed video about this in the future. Remember, even with positive EV bets, there will be ups and downs. Discipline and bankroll management are essential for navigating the inevitable swings of fortune. Finding your edge, research and value hunting. Finding positive EV bets is like searching for hidden treasure. It requires diligence, research, and a keen eye for value. Start by specializing in a sport you're passionate about. Dive deep into team statistics, player performance, historical data, and even weather forecasts. Look for discrepancies between your assessment of a game and the bookmaker's odds. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to spot those hidden gems, those mispriced bets that offer positive EV and the potential for profit. Recap from theory to practice. In this video, we explored the concept of expected value or EV in sports betting. We used a simple coin flip example to illustrate how EV works. With a $10 bet on heads, winning $20 on heads and losing $10 on tails, we calculated the EV to be $5. This positive EV means that over time, you're likely to make a profit. We also show you a live example of a positive EV sports bet based on predictions, and how there are many comparisons tools out there which he use to help find positive EV bets, such as OddsJam. We also discussed using analytical sites and no-vig calculators to determine the true probability of outcomes and find bets with positive EV. Remember, understanding and leveraging EV helps you make smarter, more profitable bets in the long run, and that not every bet will be a winner. But by consistently choosing bets with positive EV, you'll be on the path to long-term profitability. Thanks for watching another video from BetWise Academy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more betting tips and expert advice. Don't forget to leverage these tips and strategies to boost your chances of winning. Stay tuned to BetWise Academy for more winning strategies. Until next time, happy betting!